Oh yeah, I like it.
Okay, and who bought and who bought onion rings?
How much for onion rings?
Well, okay, what's the book with the onion rings? Is this the onion rings?
Yeah, how much?
It's this for 9 cents.
Oh, $6.49.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Okay, that's what. Is that all that you want?
No, that's. How about you? This is for kids zones. What do you want to order? This one. What's this say?
It's kids thinking finger.
Yeah, you like that? What do you want to order? Okay. Tell the waiter.
I don't know.
Okay, order yours. Okay, now it's pizza time.
Okay, so which one do you want?
I like the vegetable one.
Okay, so we have banana.
What's that?
We have banana. If you want some of these, need to put some in all of these.
Yeah, the vegetarian.
Yes, you need to put some.
What's flavor in the vegetarian? What's flavor?
There's mushrooms, onions, green pepper, olives, and fresh tomatoes. You want those?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
Give me the large one, please.
Which one? Okay.
How much for large? This the price. How much?
Oh, it's just 12. There's 12.
Oh, nice
And
price.
look at this one. It has a Pepsi with it.
Oh, for Pop, I want 2 regular Pepsi, please.
And it has some spaghetti, a Doritos, a concept pop, and
Yeah.
cheese bread.
Oh, there's mosquito.
Look, Baba, look, I just got itchy.
Yeah, there's mosquito. How about Mama? You ask Mama what do you want for pizza?
This one.
What flavor is that?
I don't know.
I think Mama like the donair pizza. Yeah, the sauce donair.
Whoa, what is this old?
Oh, that's black olives.
Oh,
Yeah.
good night.
See you in the morning at breakfast.